In our daily lives, we're constantly faced with choices between honesty and deceit. This topic is incredibly relevant as it affects our relationships, careers, and even our self-esteem. Let's explore it together. Picture this. You're asked a sensitive question by a friend. Do you choose to be brutally honest or tell a small lie to protect their feelings? This dilemma is all too familiar. Truth means providing factual, unaltered information. A lie, on the other hand, involves intentionally misleading someone. Understanding these concepts is crucial for navigating our complex social landscapes. Telling the truth can offer psychological relief and a sense of integrity, whereas lying can create stress and guilt. The psychological impact of these choices can significantly influence our mental well-being. Choosing between truth and lying brings significant moral implications. Honesty aligns with many ethical frameworks, reinforcing integrity and respect. However, lies can sometimes protect feelings or prevent harm, challenging our moral compass. Truth often builds and strengthens trust in relationships. Being honest fosters open communication and mutual respect. Trust, once established, forms a solid foundation that nurtures deeper, more meaningful connections between individuals. Real-life stories demonstrate the power of truth. For instance, a whistleblower exposing fraud can lead to justice and systemic change, highlighting how honesty can make a significant, positive impact on society. Despite the benefits of truth, there are situations where lying might seem beneficial. A harmless lie to avoid hurting someone's feelings or to diffuse a tense situation can sometimes feel justifiable. Lying, however, can carry negative consequences. It can erode trust, damage reputations, and create a web of deceit that's hard to escape. The temporary relief a lie provides often leads to long-term complications. The timing of revealing the truth or lying can significantly impact relationships. Choosing the right moment can soften the blow, while poor timing might escalate tensions and misunderstandings. The timing of revealing the truth or lying can significantly impact relationships. Choosing the right moment can soften the blow, while poor timing might escalate tensions and misunderstandings. Making a judgment call on whether to tell the truth or lie involves evaluating the situation. Consider the potential outcomes and weigh the benefits and drawbacks to make an informed decision. Empathy plays a crucial role in determining whether to be honest or not. Understanding the other person's feelings and perspective helps in deciding the most compassionate approach to the situation. Effective communication is key when delivering difficult truths. Approach the conversation with care, clarity, and respect to ensure that the message is received and understood without causing unnecessary hurt. Honesty can be instrumental in resolving conflicts. By addressing issues openly and constructively, parties involved can work towards a solution and rebuild trust, leading to healthier relationships. White lies are minor, often harmless falsehoods told to avoid hurting someone's feelings or to smooth over social situations. They can maintain harmony, but may lead to trust issues if overused. Constant lying, even if seemingly insignificant, can erode personal integrity and relationships over time. It creates a web of deceit that becomes harder to manage and escape as it grows. In summary, honesty, when paired with empathy, can foster genuine connections and resolve conflicts. However, discretion is vital, as some situations may call for a more gentle approach to truth-telling. Share your thoughts on the truth versus lying debate in the comments. Be sure to subscribe for more engaging content and discussions that challenge your perspectives on everyday dilemmas.